Welcome to Hackerverse, your ultimate destination for all things hacking and cybersecurity. In this digital realm, we unravel the mysteries of ethical hacking and empower individuals like you to navigate the complex world of digital security. Join us on an exhilarating journey where we explore the art of hacking, share expert insights, and foster a vibrant community of tech enthusiasts, learners, and aspiring cybersecurity professionals. Greetings, hackers and cyber adventurers. I'm thrilled to have you here in the Hackerverse. Together, we're going to embark on an unforgettable exploration of ethical hacking. Ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking, is the practice of probing computer systems and networks to identify vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. It's like becoming a digital superhero, using your powers for good and safeguarding the virtual world we rely on. In the vast landscape of cybersecurity, ethical hacking plays a crucial role in fortifying our digital defenses. By understanding the techniques employed by malicious actors, ethical hackers can identify vulnerabilities, assess risks, and collaborate with organizations to strengthen their security posture. At Hackerverse, we believe in demystifying ethical hacking, making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your hacking journey, we have something exciting in store for you. Through engaging tutorials, real-world demonstrations, and thought-provoking discussions, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of ethical hacking. You'll gain insights into various hacking methodologies, learn about the latest tools and technologies, and discover effective ways to protect yourself and your digital assets. We'll cover a wide range of topics, from network security and penetration testing to encryption, data privacy, and much more. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the ever-evolving cybersecurity landscape. But Hackerverse is more than just a channel. It's a thriving community. We encourage active participation, questions, and discussions from our viewers. Together, we'll build a supportive network of like-minded individuals, sharing our experiences, insights, and helping each other grow in this exciting field. Remember, ethical hacking is not about causing harm or engaging in illegal activities. It's about understanding the digital world and using that knowledge to protect ours.